Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Circuit Pro, and today our comprehensive review about it. Alright, let's dive into the anticipated 2025 Honda CR-V. This compact SUV, a staple in the automotive world, is gearing up for a refresh, and we're here to break down everything you need to know, from its expected features and specs to its potential price point and release date. It's important to understand that some of this information is based on projections and industry analysis, as official details from Honda can be subject to change. Starting with the design, the 2025 CR-V is expected to build upon the current generation's robust and refined aesthetic. Honda has been focusing on a more mature and sophisticated look, and we anticipate this trend to continue. Expect subtle refinements to the front fascia, potentially with a revised grille and updated LED headlights. The rear could also see minor tweaks to the taillight design and bumper, enhancing the overall modern appeal. The profile will likely maintain its balanced proportions, providing ample interior space while retaining a sleek silhouette. The emphasis is expected to be on a cleaner, more premium appearance, aligning with Honda's broader design language. Moving to the interior, the CR-V has always been praised for its practicality and comfort. For 2025, expect further enhancements in material quality and technology. The dashboard layout is anticipated to remain driver-focused, with a large touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. We're talking about a system that should be even more intuitive and responsive, possibly incorporating features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Higher trims are likely to offer premium amenities such as leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The focus will be on creating a serene and comfortable cabin, ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. In terms of technology, Honda is expected to pack the 2025 CR-V with the latest innovations. A larger, higher-resolution touchscreen is almost guaranteed, possibly accompanied by a digital instrument cluster. Advanced driver assistance systems, under the Honda Sensing Suite, will likely be standard across all trims. This should include features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Expect improvements in the accuracy and responsiveness of these systems, making driving safer and more convenient. Connectivity will also be a key focus, with multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium audio system available. Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V is expected to continue offering a range of powertrain options. The standard engine will likely be a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Expect horsepower figures to remain competitive, potentially around 190 horsepower, with improvements in torque delivery and overall responsiveness. The hybrid variant, a key selling point, is anticipated to receive further enhancements. This could include a more powerful electric motor and a larger battery, resulting in improved fuel economy and electric driving range. Honda's hybrid system is known for its smooth and efficient operation, and we expect this to continue. The potential for a plug-in hybrid variant is also a possibility, though official confirmations are still pending. When it comes to performance, the CR-V is known for its comfortable and composed ride. The 2025 model is expected to maintain this characteristic, with improvements in handling and stability. The suspension system will likely be tuned for a balance of comfort and control, making it suitable for a variety of driving conditions. All-wheel drive will be available as an option, providing added traction in challenging weather. The steering is expected to be precise and responsive, offering a confident driving experience. Fuel efficiency will remain a key focus, with Honda aiming to further reduce emissions and improve mileage figures. The hybrid variants are expected to lead the way in this regard, offering impressive fuel economy in both city and highway driving. Regarding the expected release date, it's anticipated that the 2025 Honda CR-V will debut in late 2024 or early 2025. Automakers often stagger their releases, with some models arriving earlier in the year and others later. The exact timing will depend on Honda's production schedule and market conditions. Keep an eye on official announcements from Honda, as they will provide the most accurate information. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 CR-V is expected to see a slight increase in price compared to the current model. This is typical for new model years, as automakers often incorporate new features and technologies. The starting price for the base model is projected to be in the mid-$30,000 range, while higher trims and hybrid variants could push the price closer to $40,000 or even $45,000. It's important to note that these are estimates, and the actual pricing will depend on the specific trim level and optional features. Honda aims to maintain a competitive price point, offering a compelling value proposition in the compact SUV segment. The CR-V's practicality is a major selling point. Expect ample cargo space and passenger room, making it ideal for families and those who need to transport gear. The rear seats will likely offer flexible configurations, allowing for easy expansion of cargo capacity. The interior storage solutions will be thoughtfully designed, with plenty of compartments for small items. Honda's focus on usability will ensure that the CR-V remains a versatile and practical choice. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 CR-V is expected to excel in this area. Honda's commitment to safety is evident in its suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Expect top-notch crash test ratings, thanks to the vehicle's robust construction and comprehensive safety features. The CR-V will likely include multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, and electronic stability control as standard. Higher trims may offer additional safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The infotainment system is expected to be a highlight of the 2025 CR-V. A larger touchscreen, possibly 10 inches or more, will provide a user-friendly interface. Wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will allow for seamless integration with smartphones. Voice control will also be a key feature, allowing drivers to access various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. A premium audio system, possibly from a well-known brand, will offer a high-quality listening experience. The hybrid variant of the CR-V is expected to be a major draw. Honda's hybrid system is known for its efficiency and smooth operation. The 2025 model is likely to see improvements in fuel economy and electric driving range. Expect impressive mileage figures, possibly exceeding 40 miles per gallon in combined driving. The hybrid system will seamlessly switch between electric and gasoline power, providing a refined and efficient driving experience. The potential for a plug-in hybrid variant adds another layer of versatility, allowing for extended electric driving and reduced emissions. The 2025 Honda CR-V is shaping up to be a compelling offering in the compact SUV segment. It combines practicality, comfort, technology, and efficiency in a well-rounded package. While some details are still speculative, based on industry trends and Honda's track record, we can expect a refined and capable vehicle. The anticipated release date in late 2024 or early 2025 makes it a highly anticipated model for those in the market for a new SUV. Keep an eye on official announcements from Honda for the most accurate and up-to-date information. As more details become available, we will continue to provide updates and insights into the 2025 Honda CR-V. The maximum function of the 2025 Honda CR-V lies in its ability to deliver a well-rounded driving experience by combining fuel efficiency, interior comfort, safety technology, and practical utility in one smartly designed compact SUV. Here's a breakdown of what defines the full capability of the CR-V at its peak. 1. Hybrid powertrain efficiency. With up to 204 combined horsepower and excellent fuel economy, the CR-V hybrid maximizes power without sacrificing gas mileage. 2. Honda Sensing Suite. A standard across all trims, this includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, offering top-tier safety for everyday driving. 3. Spacious cabin design. A-class leading legroom in the rear seats and a flat-load floor mean it's incredibly comfortable and practical for passengers and cargo. 4. Hands-free power tailgate. A provides easy access to the cargo area, especially useful when your hands are full. 5. All-wheel drive capability. Available in hybrid and gasoline models for confident traction on slippery roads or rougher terrain. 6. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It lets you connect and control your phone without plugging it in, keeping things clean and convenient. 7. 9-inch infotainment system. A large, user-friendly screen with fast response time, available on higher trims for an upgraded digital experience. 8. Digital driver display. Clear, customizable, and easy to read. It brings vital vehicle information to the forefront. 9. Panoramic sunroof. Adds a sense of openness and luxury to the cabin, especially on long trips or scenic routes. 10. Heated unventilated front seats. Ensures maximum comfort year-round, no matter the weather. 11. Dual-zone climate control. Standard across trims for personalized comfort for driver and front passenger. 12. Real-time traffic and navigation. Keeps you on the fastest route, available in higher trims with the built-in navigation system. 13. Ample cargo space. Up to 76.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, giving the CR-V serious hauling power for an SUV its size. 14. Refined suspension tuning. Offers a smooth, stable ride without feeling too soft or disconnected. 15. Quiet cabin with acoustic glass. Keeps road and wind noise down, providing a premium, peaceful driving environment. 16. Remote start and smart entry. It adds convenience when approaching or leaving the vehicle, especially useful in extreme temperatures. 17. Wireless charging pad. Eliminates cord clutter while keeping your phone powered up on the go. 18. Traffic jam assist. Reduces fatigue in stop-and-go conditions by helping with acceleration, braking, and steering. 19. Selectable drive modes. Lets drivers toggle between normal, econ, and snow modes for optimized performance. 20. Proven Honda reliability. Backed by years of customer trust and consistent quality, the CR-V maintains its reputation as a long-lasting, low-maintenance vehicle. Altogether, these 20 features represent the CR-V's maximum function as a vehicle that prioritizes efficiency, comfort, safety, and practicality, all while offering solid performance and a sophisticated design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.